everybody, this is Tarot Rani. You must have heard of lightning. You must have heard of towers. And yes, today I've got a very similar card for you. Card number 16, the Tower. We will look into the meaning of this card. We will try to understand its picture. We will see how it can be used in a reading. We will look into number 16, which is the card number, and see how this affects your birth. And then we will see today's alphabet, which is alphabet P. And then in the end, as usual, we will see what my auntie has to say today. Now, let's look into the picture of the card and try to gauge the meaning. The card depicts sudden destruction of a structure hit by lightning. Men leaping out of windows in fear, terror, shock. This card is about rude awakening, shocking realizations. This card suggests that all your beliefs will be challenged. It can be a religious belief. It can be a belief on an individual or an institution. If you see the card very carefully, the tower seems like it's going to collapse. It is on a false foundation. It is on a weak foundation. This card might also suggest rebuilding in life. Now let's look into the numerological aspect of this card. The number mentioned on this card is number 16. If you're born on 16th of any month, then your birth number will be 1616. 16s are very generous. They're smart and careful planners. They rely less on their destiny and more on their hard work. They are capable of strong attachments. They do not stick around with a person or a thing for a long time, but the attachment remains. If 16 is your number, the Tower is the mentor or card for your life. The Tower talks about sudden changes of all kinds. You may feel like your life is shaken up suddenly. Everything is here and there. You will feel that when is this thing going to end and life will be peaceful. It could be like you're moving places again and again. You're changing jobs. You're changing relationships on a very regular basis. But then the Tower suggests that the Tower is like quick and rapid like an earthquake, but it is short-lived. You should enjoy whatever new experiences are thrown on your way. If this card comes into a reading and the question is about relationship, the Tower suggests that there will be a sudden or an abrupt end in a relationship, an ongoing relationship. You cannot stop the ending. All you can do is to realize, understand, and make it smooth. The spark in the card suggests that there is somebody or something going behind your back. So be sure where you're talking about your life, with whom you're sharing your secrets, because somebody will use against you. When this card comes for a professional reading, this might indicate a sudden change or an end in employment. The alphabet which we are going to see in today's episode is alphabet P. People whose name begins with a P are very creative and bright. They are talkative, but they are wise beyond years. They are good at communication and they influence people with their talking skills. When it comes to love, these people are very committed. They know how to choose a partner. Image means everything to them, so they choose partners accordingly. When it comes to life, they know how to live a life full of fun. नारायण नारायण, मंदिर जाओ तो घंटी जरूर बजाना, भगवान बड़े खुश हो जाते हैं. Narayan, Narayan. Well said, Auntie. I remember my temple visits with you and ringing the bells. People ring bell when they enter the temple. The sound of it is said to clear our mind so that we can concentrate, and hence our devotion is pure and for a longer time. The bells are made in a unique way. The sound created by the bells create a unity in our right and the left brain. The echo sound duration is as such that it kind of heals all the 7 chakras of the body and clears us of the negativity. This is all for today's episode. I hope you have already subscribed my channel. If not, do it right away. You can always give me suggestions and post your comments in the below section. Do like and share it with your friends. This is a bye from Tarot Rani, but only till next Saturday. In the picture, we can see a devil. There are different conceptions of this devil. Legs of the goat, horns, and then he has this wings of the bat. He's also holding